I know I recently told you how to restring your Greenworks string trimmer by poking two separate strands in the center of the spool. Well, I lied. That was the wrong way. Well, it wasn't the wrong way. It was the way that Greenworks told us to do it. But I've come up with a hack that makes this a lot easier than having to poke in the hole of the center of the Greenworks spool. And it only takes a slight modification of the spool itself. We're going to take off both strands here because the way they told you was to find that hole in the center and then hook your line on it. But what we can do is we can actually use that divider to make it a lot easier than having to hook our line on in those holes like a moray eel. What we're going to do, we're going to modify the spool and modify that divider. With a sharp knife, I'm going to make a cut and make a hook shape. Be real careful, this is sharp, but I'm going to carve a hook in that center divider between the two line sides. Just like that. See, I made it like a little hook shape. And then you see where the arrow says to go around this direction. Now we've got a hook there. And what we can do now is get a single strand of line. No more having to wrestle with this two separate lines and poking the holes, and did I get it in the hole? Did it fall out of the hole? I guess about 12 feet long, and cut it to length. I'll have a link in the description to this twisted pair line that I recommend. Then take your 12 feet of line, and remember that hook we just created? Well, we're gonna line up our two ends and find center of our line. Then we're gonna hook the line, the center of the line, on that little hook that we just created. And we're gonna wind around our line on both sides. Make sure you don't cross over at those channels. And speaking of channels, I hope you enjoy our channel, Field Guide to DIY, where you get tips like this all the time. This is 0.95. Then when you get two strands wrapped around the spool there, you're gonna put one strand through one eyelet and the other strand through the other eyelet, pull it through and pull it tight as you return the bobbin back to its place. Now put your cap back on. Spin the head to trim it to length and you're back in business. For more helpful home improvement and yard work tips, click the image on your screen now and be sure to subscribe to Field Guide to DIY. I'll see you in the next video.